Welcome back, students of class 4 to your e-learning class. So as you know, I am here to take your science class. In our previous class, we are discussing the question answer from chapter number 6, that is soil. So I have written on the board also chapter number 6, soil. So I will continue with the same chapter question answer part from the exercise. Okay. So let me write here exercise. This is the exercise of chapter number 6. So I will open the exercise now. This is page number 36. Page number 36 of chapter number 6 in your science book. In our previous class, we have solved the short answer question E. From the exercise of chapter 6, we have solved E, short answer question. All 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we have solved it. Now, I will start now F, long answer question. I will start F, long answer question. Okay, long answer question F. Same page number 36 in your science book. First question of long answer question is, give two characteristics each of sandy, clay and loamy soil. Give two characteristics each of sandy, clay and loamy soil. So question is, give two characteristics each of sandy, clay and loamy soil. Okay. Give two characteristics each of sandy, clay and loamy soil. So let us write the answer. Characteristics of different types of soil. Characteristics of different types of soil. Okay. First one, sandy soil. First characteristics, it mainly contains sand, that is big, light and loosely packed, big, light and loosely packed particles. Okay. Sand, big, light and loosely packed particles. And number 2, it cannot hold much water. It cannot hold much water as water passes through its particles easily. As water passes through its particles easily. Now number B. Next soil is clay soil. Clay soil. First characteristics, it mainly contains clay. Very fine and closely packed. And closely packed particles. Number 2, it can hold a lot of water, as water does not pass through its particles easily. It can hold a lot of water as water does not pass through its particles easily. Okay. Next soil is last one, loamy soil. Loamy soil, first characteristics is it contains both sand and clay. It contains both sand and clay. And number 2, it can hold enough air and water. It can hold enough air and water. Okay. So, okay students, today we have we have done up to this much. Means question number 1 from long answer question we have solved it. Give two characteristics each of sandy, clay and loamy soil. So I will repeat what I have written on the board. Okay, long answer question number 1. This is from exercise page number 36 of chapter number 6, soil. Give two characteristics each of sandy, clay and loamy soil. Characteristics of different types of soil. Number A, sandy soil. First characteristics of sandy soil is it mainly contains sand, that is big, light and loosely packed particles. Okay, I will just close the bracket here. Then number 2, it cannot hold much water as water passes through its particles easily. Next soil is clay soil. It mainly contains clay, that is very fine and closely packed particles. Okay. Next, number 2 characteristic of clay soil is it can hold a lot of water as water does not pass through its particles easily. Then third one, last one, loamy soil. Characteristics are number 1, it contains both sand and clay, and number 2, it can hold enough air and water. Okay. So okay students, today I have solved question number 1 from long answer question of chapter 6, soil. In our next class we will continue with the question number 2. Then that is the last question answer of the exercise of chapter 6. So see you in the next class. Thank you everyone.